TJ Huddleston. I'm the fleet manager here at Collins and Hermann. We do a lot of infrastructure work. We do highway, guardrail, signage. We did for a lot of union electrician contractors in town. We do some solar field work. We went with the Takeuchi track loaders first and foremost because we knew of the reputation in the market. And speaking with other contractors, the reliability, again, was hands down. The power for the size of the machine is really good. We've probably had 10 of these now, and we just keep adding to the fleet. They're real happy. They haven't failed us, so we stick with Takeuchi. And that's another benefit of buying the Takeuchis. My salesman's awesome. He helps me if I have any issues with the machines, which is very rare, but I can always rely on him to bring me parts, help me out if I'm looking for an attachment, and find the things that work with these machines.